folks, this is survival of the fittest, I guess. These idiots rode until the brake pad is completely gone and the caliper's been up against it. And they're like, oh, it's been making noise for only like a day or two. Yeah, bullshit. You're a flippin' moron. Kept driving it and now it's all fucked up. Look at this shit. Fucking stupid. And they're crying about, oh, we don't have the money to fix it. Yeah, well, that's just too bad. Quit smoking that crack. Carter reeks of weed. What the hell? Stop spending all your money on the pot. Get you some brakes.